Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Marine shipping companies generally deliver steady revenue and earnings flow due to fixed contracts. While this could cap this kind of company's upside potential, it does provide predictability in earnings and a pathway to paying dividends, something that income investors demand. In the case of Seanergy Maritime Holdings Corp, traded on NASDAQ under symbol SHIP, not only in the forward dividend yield, a juicy 10.78% at a time of this recording, but also its shares have advanced 102% over the past year. This easily outperforms the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, the company owns 19 vessels that provide marine dry bulk transportation services. The combined aggregate cargo carrying capacity is roughly 3.4 million deadweight tonnage. Now, if you check out their chart, it shows a Seanergy Maritime stock in a golden cross. This is a bullish technical crossover where the 50-day moving average is above the 200-day moving average, and this generally signals additional gains ahead.
How is it doing on the financial front?
Seanergy Maritime's revenue have been all over the place during the last 5 years, which isn't a surprise given the 2020 health crisis. The subsequent 3 post-pandemic years have returned revenues in excess of $100 million, albeit 2022 and 2023 have seen declines. Seanergy's revenue picture is expected to significantly improve. Analysts expect the company to ramp up revenue by a pretty solid 58.4% to $174.6 million in 2024, with a high estimate from one analyst of $195 million. Revenue for the first 9 months of 2024 were up by 77.6% year over year at $125.8 million. Now shifting to 2025, Seanergy's revenue growth rate is expected to contract to only 3%, with revenue slated to come in between $179.8 million and a high estimate of $211 million.
How about the profitability at this company?
Well, on the bottom line, Maritime has reported mixed results with losses in 2019 and 2020, but this was followed by a major rebound to a record $2.50 per diluted share in 2021. Unfortunately, profits fell in 2022 to 96 cents per share and fell further to 12 cents per share in 2023. But as with the revenue side, earnings profitability is expected to ramp up higher to move above the expected revenue growth rate. Analysts expect Seanergy Maritime Holdings to generate earnings of, I think it's $2.78 to as high as $3.80 per diluted share in 2024. Now, this is expected to be followed by $2.77 per diluted share and a high estimate of $4.26 per diluted share in 2025. Now, on a quarterly basis, the company has beaten consensus earnings estimates in the last 5 straight quarters. In the recently announced third quarter, profits came in at 69 cents per diluted share, or more than 11% above consensus, followed a 15.3% beat in the second quarter, 92.3% earnings beat in the first quarter, and a pretty big 111.5% beat in the fourth quarter of 2023. Now, earnings for the first 9 months of 2024 came in at a record $2.04 per share, significantly higher than the 2 cents per share in the first 3 quarters of 2023.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, let me ask you, how is this financial performance impacting the company's dividends?
Seanergy's funds statement points to some inconsistency. Free cash flow was negative from 2020 to 2022 before moving to positive in 2023. This was also the highest free cash flow on record. Strong third quarter results, though, allowed the company's board to approve its biggest ever dividend in history at 26 cents per share. Prior to that, it paid 25 cents per share in September and 15 cents per share in June. That won't pay out the 26 cents per share dividend until January 2025. So right now, its annual dividend stands at 1 cent per share, equating to a forward dividend yield of 10.78%.
John, thank you so much for your insight. Institutional ownership of 21.9% of the outstanding share is low, but 27.4% insider ownership in Seanergy Maritime stock is high. The high insider ownership can often entice insiders to deliver even better results. Ship stock looks attractive if the company can deliver its consensus estimates. Seanergy Maritime stock trades at a mere 2.47 times its consensus 2024 and 2025 earnings per share estimates. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.